Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to overlay text on CapCut. Here are the steps to overlay text on a video in CapCut using your Android device. First, open CapCut app. Launch the CapCut app on your Android phone. Tap New Project and start a new editing project by tapping New Project on the home screen. Select a video or image. Choose the main video or image you want to add text to. Then tap on Add. Wait for the timeline to load. Your selected media will appear on the timeline. Tap Text on the bottom menu. This opens the text editing options. Tap Add Text. A new text box will appear over the video. Type your text. Enter the words or message you want to overlay. For example, welcome to my vlog. Move and resize the text. Drag to reposition the text on the video and pinch to resize it. Customize the font and style. Use the Styles toolbar to change font, color, shadow, stroke, and more. Optional, add animation. Tap Animation, then choose In to animate the text. So I choose Fade. Go ahead and tap on it. You can also adjust its duration by adjusting the sliders. Now to confirm, hit the check mark. Adjust duration. On the timeline, drag the edges of the text layer to control how long the text appears on the screen. Preview text overlay. Tap the play button to see how the text looks over your video. Export your video. Tap the export icon in the top right to save your video or the overlay text. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.